We're behind the gates of Ranch Colony in this stunning home that has been renovated from top to bottom.
On Jonathan's Landing golf course with a screened-in pool.
Well, let's go show them.
Let's check it out.
Like we said, this home has been completely renovated and the kitchen is stunning with custom cabinetry, a 6-burner gas stove by Thermador, and built-in refrigerator. It offers plenty of storage, and they also added this amazing buffet with built-in wine cooler that's perfect for entertaining.
Offering a split floor plan, you have 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, an office, and I gotta show you this primary suite. The views continue in this spacious primary suite, which includes walk-in closets, dual vanities, and shower heads.
This home really does have it all.
Impact doors and windows throughout.
A 2021 roof.
A whole home generator.
And if you'd like to see it in person, please contact the Wolf team today. We'd love to show it to you.